Hello everyone, welcome back. This video I've made for many of you who have been facing difficulty inputting more than three indicators on TradingView, because free version of TradingView will only allow you to use three indicators at a time. So if you're using three different moving averages, so every moving average that you put will be counted as one indicator. So when you put 200, 50 and 20, then you have exhausted your maximum limit of indicators that you can put under free version. So you cannot put RSI. So I'll tell you an easy way to bypass this thing, wherein you can combine the three moving averages into one indicator. So what you need to do is pay attention. Here you need to go to FX function, here indicator function, then click on it and simply type moving average, MOVING space average, AVERAGE, average. And then you see here it will show you moving average ribbon. All right, it may show you little lower in your chart, in your list of indicators. So you just search, go down and find it out where it is. So here it's moving average. Remember, moving average ribbon, it's written new alongside it. So click on it. Now what you got here is four different moving averages. These are simple moving averages, but we need three. So when four is combined, it will be considered as one indicator. So your RSI is the second indicator. So you can put one more indicator over it, but we don't require it for now as far the lesson is concerned. So now you do here, let me change the setting here. You click over here and click on setting. On inputs you go, first you click on input. You need only three, MA1, MA2, MA3. So you uncheck this one. All right, the first moving average is by default is 220, so we'll change it to 200 and keep it yellow. The second one is 50. All right, let's change the color to blue. Whatever color code that suits you, you can use, all right, according to you, but keep it same so that you can recognize by the color which moving average it is, right? And the third one, because this is what I use, you may be comfortable with other color scheme of color, so I'll turn it into green. So now I've got 200 yellow, 50 blue and 20 green. Now go to style and let's change the width of it. Let's make it thick. 201, make it extra thick. Then 51, make it a little lesser thick, and green one, make it lesser. And we don't need the fourth one, uncheck the fourth one. So you got here and press OK. Now you got three indicators combined into one. So this is your 200, this is your 50 and this is your 20. So this will be considered as one indicator. You see, you're not getting three lists here as previously you're getting. So this will be considered as one indicator, but it will do the job of three indicators, and plus your RSI to basically two indicators. You can put one more indicators. We'll later see what we need to put when we discuss different strategies. I hope this helps. Bye bye, take care, see you again.